Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video I'm super excited to share with you guys. It's our first new apartment tour. I wanted to show you guys our new place that we just moved into, so if you guys want to check it out, then let's go on in. Okay, so this is the view right when you walk into the front door. This is our living area, our living room space. So again, we just moved in. I wanted to get everything out of our boxes and into like shelves and stuff, so I didn't have to look at boxes all day. So I'm so in love with this apartment. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like before I start decorating it with the new farmhouse theme that I'm going for. So this is the living room area. Look at these beautiful windows. They're in all of the rooms. It's amazing. This is our view from the living room. It's beautiful up here. The weather is perfect. We live in Hawaii, so I'm super blessed to have this cool weather. It's amazing. So this is a DIY project in the making. I bought this for like 20 bucks from a garage sale, so I'm going to redo this and then figure out what I'm going to do with this TV stand. This is another score. I got this coffee table from a garage sale for 50 bucks. It's handmade from whoever I bought it from, but it's beautiful. It was exactly what I was looking for. And then this couch here I also got from a thrift store as well for like $200, I think. So everything, all the furniture is DIY furniture, garage sale, yard thrifting furniture that I'm going to redo and make it like the color scheme that I want. And then over here is the dining room slash kitchen. It's super spacious. I can't wait to put all my decorations up, so I'll just show you. Right now we have these floating shelves, which are beautiful with the shiplap behind it. So I just have like my white dishes up here for now, and then I'm gonna keep like decorating everything. I like to keep the counter space as clean as possible, but I do have these big jars I'm gonna put stuff in, and then some fruit baskets. Everything is brand new. The stove is brand new. I mean, this countertop, look at this. It's beautiful. It looks like wood. So much counter space. You guys know I love to cook. If you haven't seen any of my cooking videos, go ahead and click on the cooking playlist below and you guys can check those out. I love to do cook with me videos, so this is what I'm super excited about, is this kitchen. And then some more floating shelves over here that I just threw like our glasses and drinking ware. And then, don't you love these dark blue, navy blue cabinets? And there's so much cabinet space. And then this little window seal I love. I have my little plant thingy here. It's basil, which is like the very first plant I've ever been able to like keep alive. And then I have a coffee station here. We both love coffee, me and my husband. Again, I just threw everything out for now. I'm gonna redo all of this as well and decorate it, make it more functional. So cute wifey and hubby cups. And then we got a brand new fridge, obviously. You don't need to show you that. So yeah, this is the living room space when you're over here. And this table runner I got for like 50 cents, I think, from a yard sale. It's so pretty. Oops, my green tea latte ready to drink. Okay, so moving on to the room. So kitchen. And then when you go to this side, it's the bathroom, the master bedroom, and then our guest bedroom. And then there's these closet washing machines that I love having it in the unit. I can just do laundry whenever I want. So here's the bathroom. Again, they like remodeled everything. So there's like new marble flooring. The owner did the shiplap on her own. It was the DIY and it looks beautiful. I love it. Little mirror, new sink, this thing, and that little cabinet for our toiletries. And then it's a bathtub and a shower in there. So perfect size for me and my husband. Okay, and then when you walk on the left side, this is our guest room. This is dehumidifier. It's super moist and humid up there, so we have that. So when you walk in here, this is just all of our crap from moving in. As you can see, we had a lot of stuff in the other place that I didn't even know we had. These are a bunch of signs from my wedding that I'm going to hopefully hang up somewhere because we do have like some wall space that I want to fill up. This is all of my thrift store yard sale shopping for the new place that I did like within the last month or so. If you guys haven't seen my last thrift with me video, you guys can check that out too. I'll leave the description, the link in the description box below. I have 2 videos up of yard sale shopping. So all of this I'm going to like paint or make into something else, and it'll be like home decor for the farmhouse home decor style that I'm going for in the new apartment. Some candlesticks. I bought a bunch of beautiful teapots, coffee pots, and pitchers, baskets, hangy things for the wall, pictures I'm going to repaint. Stay tuned for all of these DIY projects that I'm going to do. I'm going to DIY this desk also, paint it white, I think. I love everything white. Let's check out the master bedroom. This is our view every morning. It's like amazing. I just still can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. Super plain right now. I have my 2 vintage desks on each side that I DIY'd also for our wedding. And then I got this for free, this like dresser thing that I'm gonna repaint as well and do a DIY project on. And I'm gonna get new sheets, new pillows. This is the closet space. I'm gonna put some curtains up so that we don't have to look at this, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm going to do like some pictures and things up on this wall. I'm hoping to build like a headboard, a farmhouse headboard that I've really been wanting to do, so if I get time I'm gonna try to get that done. And then I don't know what's gonna go on this wall. This is like one of my favorite pieces that I made, or my best friend made it for our wedding. So I'm gonna, I don't know, hang that up somewhere. Yeah. Again, the kitchen is like my favorite place to be, so I'm like in love with the kitchen. And of course the view is amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the apartment tour video. Also, stay tuned. I will be doing the DIY projects for the farmhouse home decor for this new apartment that we have. I'm super excited to see how it turns out with all of the items that I got from the thrift stores and yard sale shopping. So don't forget to check out the links below if you want to check out my last thrift with me video, or if you want to check out my cook with me videos as well. I have a cooking playlist that I will link below. So yeah, let's try to get this video to 100 thumbs up. That would be amazing. And also I'm thinking about doing a house to home series. So if you guys think I should do that, then go ahead and comment below, house to home series. And if you guys want to see that, then I think this will be the first episode of that series. I love watching those on other people's channels. So but I just wanted to share with you guys what it looks like before I start to give it like my personal touches to the decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this new apartment tour. Again, give it a thumbs up, and if you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the link in the lower, I always forget which side it is, the subscribe button in the bottom corner somewhere. I'll also have the link in my description box to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.